Hey everybody! So we are going to be talking about and running a Hello World program. So let's get into it. We are going to be typing in x equals, and then we're going to put quotation marks because we are going to put hello world because hello world is a string, and when you have a string, it has quotation marks. But you can put anything for hello world or for x. I could make x literally GH, and that would still qualify it as a variable. So you have a bit of creative freedom and liberty here. Alrighty, so yep, the string is in quotations. And then we're going to put print, and then big parentheses x. We're putting parentheses around the x so that the command knows to run this specific x and not any other x that we might have in our code. Alrighty. Comments are not run in the code, and you can do comments by doing the, what's it called? Hashtag. You can do comments by doing the hashtag and then writing what you need to do. This is very important if you're writing a code with more than one person, or if you just want to say something funny in your code because you've been coding for way too long. Alrighty. Comments allow others to easily understand your code and read it as well. Alrighty, so let's run this bad boy. Let's run this dude. Alrighty, so now we are going to be running the file. So we are going to be clicking Control S, that way it is saved and nothing is irregular. And we are going to go into our file browser. And I have my specific file that has my Hello World project in it underneath Munchkin projects, and then Hello World. Just make sure that you know where your file is. And now we are going to be left-clicking this, and we are going to be editing it with idle. We downloaded the most recent version, so whatever version you have downloaded, left-click on that one. And then we're going to click the Run button, which is right here. Now we're going to be running the module. And bam! We did it! We have successfully printed out Hello World, and your code works and is running very well. If you've encountered any problems, just leave a comment in the comment section, and me or one of my associates will be responding to you as fast as we possibly can. Alrighty, thank you guys, and have a great rest of your day.